Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome, and in today's video I will show you on how to export your Google account data from your phone without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. So I'm going to open my Chrome browser right here. After you open up your Chrome browser, go ahead and come to search and Google type right here. Click on that. Then go ahead and type in Google Takeout. Then hit on search. Then it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on the first result right here. Then if you are logging in for the first time, you'll be asked to log in with your Gmail account and password. After you log into the Google account, next thing you want to do, you will see all your Google accounts data right here. So by default, you have some of them to be selected right here. So 78 out of 80 has been selected. So in some cases, if you want to export just few of your Google account data, what you need to do first is to make sure you deselect all. So deselect all. Once you deselect all, then you have 0 of 80 selected right here. Now you can now decide which of the data you want to export from your Google account right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see details as far as this is concerned. So for instance, if you want to export your Google Drive data, go ahead and make sure you select Google Drive right here. So go ahead and click on Google Drive. Then you have advanced settings right here. All drive data included. So you can click on advanced settings right here. Include names, publish and upload fashion. Include additional info for files and folder. You can check also all these sort of things and click on OK. Then with that, you have selected one. You can export as many as possible different kind of data on your Google account. You can decide to export your Google account registration and account activity in HTML right here. That's the only format available for that. You can check on that. You can select as many as possible data that you want to export from your Google accounts. I'm going to uncheck this. Then once you are able to select anyone you want to export, then you can go on and proceed with the export settings. So let's say, for instance, I want to export my contact. So select on it. Then you have contact to be card format right here. So you can scroll down right here and select as many as possible service that you want to export as the case may be. So scroll down right here. So here we go. So you can see all your Google data right here. The more you scroll down, so right here, so once you are able to select the one you want, next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on next step right here. Then you are here, choose file types. So go ahead and click on the file types you want, add to Google Drive, send download link to via email, then add to Dropbox, add to OneDrive, add to Box right there. So I'm going to select send the download link to via email. So here, choose the file type, click on here. You want zip file or TGZ. So I'm going to zip file. So click on the file size right here. So you can leave it in 1 gig, 2 gig, or 4 gig, 10 gig, or 50 gig as many as possible. This is depends on the kind of data you want to export right here. So I'm going to leave it in 2 gig. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on schedule new export right here. So here we go. So then we have a notification from Google right here. So you can see an archive of your Google data has been scheduled. Check to make sure you schedule it. That is a security notification from Google right here. Once you apply for it and they are going to definitely send a download link to your Google account, and from there you can download the data and you are good to go. You can use this method to export as many as possible different types of data from your Google account. You can also create another export sections right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Google accounts right here, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.